Best clip-on smartphone lenses enhance mobile photography with sharper details, wider perspectives, creative effects, and professional quality images without carrying bulky cameras. My today's video is about top 5 best clip-on smartphone lenses that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Angelo Smart 3-in-1 Cell Phone Camera Lens Kit. This clip-on smartphone lens kit is a practical upgrade for anyone who enjoys mobile photography without investing in an expensive camera. The durable aluminum construction feels solid, while the soft rubber clip securely attaches to most smartphones without leaving scratches or marks. Installation is quick, making it convenient for travel, outdoor adventures, and everyday shooting. The combined 0.67x wide-angle and macro lens design is clever, though users should remember to unscrew the two lenses before using the macro mode. The wide-angle lens captures broader landscapes, group photos, and architecture with ease, while the macro lens reveals impressive close-up details of flowers, insects, jewelry, and textures. The 180-degree fisheye lens adds a fun, creative perspective that's perfect for unique social media content. Its universal clip fits most smartphones with rear camera lenses under 13mm, including iPhone, Samsung, and many others. Lightweight, portable, and versatile, this lens kit delivers excellent value by expanding your phone's photography capabilities with minimal effort and impressive image variety. Now our second product is Okink's 90mm macro lens for smartphone. This 10x smartphone macro lens is an outstanding choice for photographers who want professional-level close-up results from their phone. Its true 10x magnification and 90mm focal length provide a comfortable shooting distance, making it easy to capture tiny subjects without casting shadows or disturbing delicate objects like insects. The premium 6-element, 5-group Japanese glass optics deliver exceptional sharpness, vibrant colors, and minimal distortion, while advanced AR+AF nano coatings maximize light transmission for crisp, detailed images. A large 48mm objective lens combined with the ultra-bright f1.05 aperture creates impressive subject separation and smooth, cinematic background blur, giving macro photos a premium look. Built with aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, the lens feels durable and refined, making it suitable for frequent outdoor use. The upgraded 17mm threaded clip offers a secure fit without pressing phone buttons, solving a common issue with standard clips. Whether photographing jewelry, flowers, coins, electronics, or nature, this macro lens transforms your smartphone into a versatile, high-performance creative tool. Our third product is Evil Eye 6x telephoto lens and 150mm macro lens. This 2-in-1 telephoto and macro smartphone lens kit is an impressive solution for photographers who want both long-range and close-up capabilities in one compact accessory. The 6x telephoto lens captures distant subjects with excellent clarity, making it ideal for wildlife, sports, concerts, landscapes, and travel, while the 150mm macro mode reveals intricate details of flowers, insects, jewelry, and other tiny objects. Its professional optical system, featuring 10 premium glass elements with advanced multi-layer coatings, delivers sharp images, accurate colors, high light transmission, and minimal distortion. The adjustable focus ring provides precise control, allowing smooth transitions between telephoto and macro photography for consistently clear results. Built with a durable aluminum alloy housing, the lens feels sturdy enough for regular outdoor use. An added advantage is its dual functionality as both a smartphone lens and a monocular telescope using the included eye cup. Compatible with most major smartphones, this versatile lens kit significantly expands your phone's creative potential, making it an excellent companion for hobbyists and content creators alike. Now number 4, Zenvo Pro Lens Kit for iPhone. This smartphone lens kit is a complete photography upgrade for anyone looking to capture higher quality images without carrying a dedicated camera. Compatible with virtually all smartphones, tablets, and laptops, it includes everything needed for creative shooting, from premium lenses to a rechargeable LED fill light and a protective travel case. The TrueView 0.45x wide-angle lens captures significantly more of every scene while minimizing distortion and dark corners, making it perfect for landscapes, architecture, group photos, and travel. The Claris 15x macro lens delivers remarkably sharp close-up images, revealing intricate textures and tiny details with impressive clarity. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum and premium multi-coated optical glass, the lenses provide excellent durability and image quality while reducing glare and reflections. The True Grip clip keeps the lenses securely attached during use, and the Glow Clip LED light offers natural illumination with 3 brightness levels for better low-light photography. Combined with the travel case and quick-release lanyard, this kit is an outstanding all-in-one solution for mobile photographers seeking versatility, convenience, and consistently impressive results. And our last choice is Keywing Phone Camera Lens 3-in-1 Phone Lens Kit. This 3-in-1 smartphone camera lens kit is an excellent choice for mobile photographers who want greater creative flexibility at an affordable price. Each lens functions independently, allowing you to switch effortlessly between macro, wide-angle, and fisheye photography based on your shooting needs. The 20x macro lens excels at capturing intricate details from a close focusing distance, making it ideal for flowers, insects, jewelry, and textures. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens expands your field of view for landscapes, architecture, and group photos, while the 198 degrees fisheye lens adds a fun, dramatic perspective that makes everyday scenes more artistic and engaging. Constructed with advanced lanthanide optical glass and a durable aluminum housing, the lenses produce sharp images with reduced glare and ghosting while ensuring long-lasting performance. The universal clip features soft rubber padding to protect your phone from scratches and a strong spring for a secure fit. Compatible with most smartphones, this compact lens kit is a practical companion for travel, social media, and everyday photography enthusiasts seeking creative results. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.